Are you looking for a Claude Pro subscription at a truly low price? Then this video is for you. Watch the entire video step by step because I'll show you how you can get Claude Pro cheaply, safely, and easily. When you use the free version, you quickly run into those frustrating limitations: usage caps, slower responses, and restricted access to advanced models. And when you look at the official premium pricing, it often feels like the biggest barrier. I was in that exact situation myself. I wanted full access to Claude Pro for writing, coding, research, and AI workflows, but I didn't want to overpay. So I started searching. Where could I get Claude Pro more smartly and affordably? I tried different websites, checked multiple marketplaces, and even looked into Facebook groups. But honestly, in most cases, the experience wasn't great. Some offers were unclear, some felt risky, and in many cases, it was hard to trust what you were actually getting. And that's when I realized something important. It's not just about finding a lower price, it's about how safely and confidently you can actually make that purchase. Finally, after testing different options, what I found was the PE2P marketplace. From my experience, this platform felt much more reliable compared to many others. It offers fast delivery, responsive support, and most importantly, it feels like a trusted environment for buying digital subscriptions. From here, you can easily get a Claude Pro subscription at a lower cost. You'll find different types of plans available, whether you prefer monthly access or longer term options, so you can choose what fits your needs and budget. The best part is, sellers ensure fast delivery, payment systems are secure, refund policies give you extra confidence when buying. And honestly, that's the biggest advantage, because when you're buying a digital subscription like Claude Pro, you don't just need a cheap price, you need safety, speed, and trust. What's even better is that this platform isn't limited to just Claude Pro. You can also find other AI premium subscriptions, gaming accounts, and social media accounts all in one place. So once you start using it, you won't have to keep searching across multiple platforms every time you need a new subscription. However, always keep one important thing in mind. Before purchasing any subscription, take a moment to carefully check the offer and understand exactly what's included. Doing this will make your buying experience much safer and smoother. From my own experience, after trying different platforms, this one felt the simplest, fastest, safest, and most reliable. So if you're thinking about getting Claude Pro at a lower cost and you want to do it safely, quickly, and without unnecessary hassle, then PE2P is definitely worth checking out.